Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine, right? Okay, so last week, which chapter we learned? We learned 6th chapter, weather, right? In that, we learned what is weather and what are the changes, which means sunny, cloudy, windy, and then rainy. So, these are the types of weather which will change every day, right? And then we learnt seasons. So same type of weather for a long period of time is termed as seasons, and we learned about the types of seasons. What are the types? Summer, winter, monsoon, that is rainy, autumn and spring, right? So we all studied this about the seasons and weather in the last class. So today we are going to see the exercise part of weather topic. Okay, my dear kids. Now all of you take your EVS textbook. All of you take your EVS textbook, page number 94. All of you take your EVS textbook, page number 94. Take your pencils also. Take your EVS textbook, take your pencil, erasers, everything. Take page number 94. Okay, my dear kids. So, first is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. See here, options they have given and we have to choose the correct option and you have to write here. Okay, or else you just tick here. Okay. So, the first one is people carry dash on a rainy day. So, rainy day means it's a monsoon season, right? So, during that monsoon season, whenever the people, they are going out, they will carry a umbrella or raincoats, right? So, what are the options given here? Umbrellas and baskets. So, rainy day means they will carry umbrella, right? Okay, very good. You tick there umbrella or else you write here umbrellas, umbrellas. People carry umbrellas on a rainy day. And the second question. The weather is hot during summer or winter? You all know, right? When the weather is hot, that is said as summer. And when the weather is cold, that is said as winter. So, what's the question is asked? The weather is hot. Hot means that's the summer season, right? You tick here. SUMMER, summer. The weather is hot during summer. Winter means the weather will be cool. Finished? Okay. Third question. We wear woolen clothes during summer or winter? Very good. Winter. Because in the winter season, the climate will be very cool, right? In order to reduce that chillness, we will wear woolen clothes, right? We will wear woolen clothes. So, summer season means we will be having more sweating and we will feel very hot, right? So, at that season, we will wear loose cotton clothes in order to reduce the sweatness, right? So, woolen clothes means during winter. The cold season, that is winter. That season only we will wear woolen clothes. Finished? Fourth one. There is thunder and lightning during dash. Summer or monsoon? Yes, monsoon. Monsoon season means it is a rainy season, right? Rainy season means whenever the rain is having, there will be thunder and or lightning, right? Not every time, maybe. If rain is there means maybe there will be a thunder and lightning. Okay. So there is thunder and lightning during monsoon. Monsoon means rainy season. Monsoon. 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 Have you all finished? Yes, and the final question is, new leaves grow on trees during spring or autumn? Very good. Spring. Autumn means the leaves will shed, right? The leaves will shed from the trees. That season is set as autumn. But spring season means the new leaves will grow and the flowers will bloom. It's a colorful season is spring. Here the new leaves grow on trees during spring. So what's the first question? People carry umbrellas on a rainy day. Second one, the weather is hot during summer. Third one, we wear woolen clothes during winter. Fourth one, there is thunder and lightning during monsoon. Fifth one, new leaves grow on trees during spring. Have you all completed? Okay, my dear kids, then I am moving to match the following. Okay, so by seeing this itself, you can able to identify it's a hot ball of fire, right? It says sun. So sun means summer. It's a hot season, so summer. Second one, see from the trees, every leaves it sheds down, right? So that season is set as autumn. See, now only I said the flowers are blooming. It's a colorful season means that is a spring season. See, say snowman. Snowman means that's the season of winter, right? The snows will be there. It's a winter season. Fifth one, she is using umbrella when she is going out because of this rain, right? So it's a monsoon season. So first one is summer season, then autumn, then spring, fourth one is winter, and the fifth one is monsoon. Did you all complete this page number 94? Did you all complete? Okay, very good. Now you turn to page number 95. So tick the correct sentence and you have to cross the wrong ones. First one. Children wear raincoats to school on a sunny day. Actually, sunny day means summer. It will be very hot. On that season, the children used to wear very loose cotton cloths, right? So this raincoats and all they will be using in the rainy season. So whether the first question is correct? No, it's a wrong question, right? So put cross. We carry an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Yes, see this picture. She is using an umbrella because of this rain in order to protect her from rain, isn't it? See this picture. So, we carry an umbrella to protect ourselves from rain is a correct one. Third one. We should drink plenty of water during summer. Yes, because during summer we will feel very sweating and also we will feel very dryness, okay, because of very much heat. So we will used to have more water, more juice, okay, in order to reduce the dryness. Okay, so in that season we have to drink more plenty of water. So it's a correct one. Fourth one, snowman is made with sand. No, right? Snowman is made with snow. So it is a wrong. Spring is a colorful season. Yes, I said in that season only the new leaves will grow, flowers will bloom. So it will be a colorful season, right? So in this match the following, you see the third picture, how much colorful it is. So it's a colorful season, that is spring season. Okay, so it's a correct one. So first one is wrong, second and third correct, fourth one is wrong, and again fifth one is correct. Did you all complete? Then shall I move to answer the following? Shall I move? Yes. Okay. So what's the first question? What is weather? So you all know that weather is the condition of air around us. It will change every day, right? Maybe the morning it will be sunny, the afternoon it may be rainy, the night it may be windy. Okay, so we can't say weather. It will change us every day, maybe every hours. Okay, so weather is the condition of air around us. Okay, so write weather is the condition. CONDITION, condition of air. AIR, air. Weather is the condition of air around us. What's the spelling of condition? CONDITION, condition of air. AIR, air around us. Now itself you can able to learn what is weather. Weather is the condition of air around us. Say 2 times. Weather is the condition of air around us. Okay, my dear kids. Shall I move to the second question? What do people like to do during summer? People like to go to the beach. People like to go to the beach during summer. So beach, what's the spelling? BEACH, beach. People like to go to the beach during summer. Okay, people like to go to the beach during summer. Now itself you can able to learn. Okay, from the question itself you can copy. People like to go to the beach during summer. Third question. What clothes do we wear during summer? We wear loose cotton clothes. What's the spelling of cotton? COTTON, cotton clothes. CLOTHES, cotton clothes. We wear loose cotton clothes during summer. What clothes do we wear during summer? We wear loose cotton clothes during summer. Okay, my dear kids. Shall I move to the fourth question? Why do we use room heaters during winter? We use room heaters during winter to keep ourselves warm, because winter season means it will be very much cool, right? So in order to keep ourselves warm, we are using room heaters. So what's the answer? To keep ourselves warm. To keep ourselves warm. WARM, warm. To keep ourselves warm. We use room heaters during winter to keep ourselves warm. We use room heaters during winter to keep ourselves warm. WARM, warm. And the fifth question and the final question is, name the season when trees shed their leaves and the season when they grow new leaves. You all know this. Trees shed their leaves in which season? Very good. Autumn. 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 And grow new leaves in spring. 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 Trees shed their leaves in autumn and grow new leaves in spring. So shall I recall it? What is weather? Weather is the condition of air around us. Second question. What do people like to do during summer? People like to go to the beach during summer. What clothes do we wear during summer? We wear loose cotton clothes during summer. Why do we use room heaters during winter? We use room heaters during winter to keep ourselves warm. Name the season when trees shed their leaves and the season when they grow new leaves. Trees shed their leaves in autumn and grow new leaves in spring. Did you all complete? Okay. Have you all completed? Choose the correct answer. Match the following. Tick the correct sentences. And finally answer the following. Did you all complete? Shall I wind up the class? The next class we can see the next chapter. Okay? Then shall I wind up? Or else you need time? Okay, my dear kids, hope you all completed this page number 94 and 95. Right? So, okay, the next class we can meet again. Then I am going to wind up the class. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, children. Take care.